Hi guys! This is so cool, right? Oh my god, you guys, I really look like an alien. That's crazy. But if you guys want to see how I did this video, stay tuned and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Okay guys, so the first thing I did was decide which side I wanted to put like the alien part on, and then I just went in with my brown eyebrow pencil and kind of just made like the shape of where I wanted the alien side of my face to be. Yes, that's what you guys see me doing here. Usually when I do these looks, I usually have a picture that I use as a reference, but then I always go in and do my own thing. I just make it my own. So now I'm just gonna go in and do my brows, so you guys can start with that. You want to do your brows on the opposite side of where you're going to put your little alien face part, I guess. Originally I went in with my face paint, but then I ended up just doing my brows with my eyebrow pencil. After my brows, I went in with this Fenty foundation. You guys can use whatever foundation you choose to use. I don't know, this Fenty just always make me orange. That's why I use it to play in, but I don't, you know, I don't really like it, but whatever. So you guys go in with your foundation on that same side that you did your brows on. So that's what you guys see me doing here. Then went in to the Warrior 3 by Juvia's Place palette, and I went into the green, and I kind of just did the green, and then I went in with a little of the yellow, but I didn't really like how the yellow looked, so I ended up going in with like a shimmery, the same shimmery silverish color that's in the same palette. But you guys, you know, can do whatever eyeshadow you choose to do. Then I went in with my green face paint, and I just basically just painted the other side of my face. I went into the small little crevices and everything. As you guys can see what I'm doing here, that's basically what you want to do next. So originally I was going to try to do like the neck, kind of like a skeleton like, but then as you guys see, I ended up taking it off later on in the video because it wasn't coming out how I planned it in my head. So yeah, so that's why y'all see that those little things on my neck. So right now I'm going in with my black face paint, and I'm just gonna outline the lines that I drew originally with my eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna outline that and make it a little bolder so that, you know, it looks more, you know, like how the look's supposed to look. Then I went back in with the green and just basically filled in like the missing spaces that were like missing pieces and stuff like that. So that's what I'm doing right now. Anything that you guys see me doing on the neck right now, just disregard it, because like I said, I ended up just wiping it off anyway, so disregard this part. Then you want to go in and kind of draw an eye that looks like an alien eye. Obviously I didn't do it well. My husband kept trying to help me with it, so I kept going in and, you know, trying to fix it and stuff like that, but whatever, it is what it is. I was also having issues doing the nose. My husband was trying to help me with that as well, so y'all be patient. Yeah, he was just helping me to make and telling me like, oh, it doesn't look like alien. So I kept going in to make sure that it looks alien like. I went ahead and put like a white dot on the black part, because I guess that would be like the alien eyeball or whatever, I don't know. But yeah, I ended up just putting like a few little dots, and I did one at the bottom, which I don't think I should have done. I should have put that white line around the black line, but whatever, it's too late now. gonna create kind of like the hollow parts that you guys saw in my cheeks and on my chin. So I just did a line with the black paint, and then I went in with my eyeshadow. I did kind of like a purplish, dark purple eyeshadow and just made it look like a hollow, like a hole kind of. After I did that, I went in with the same purple eyeshadow, and I just went in at the ends of those little curves, and I just applied the eyeshadow there to kind of just make it, you know, look more hollow. Then I went in with the same green face paint and just painted my lips green. And then I went in with my black face paint, and kind of when you do the top part, you want to kind of do it like a heart in a sense. I kind of do it like a heart so that it's not the, so it kind of looks alien like. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. Hey y'all, so this is the finished product. I really like it. It was pretty simple. As you guys can see, I added some little like kind of like holes ish, I guess, and then I painted half of my hand green to kind of, you know, give it like a nice little touch in the pictures. I do not know how to do that little alien thing, so y'all don't judge me. Okay, but anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm gonna catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye guys.